Mura siya guys, but looks yummy and quality. Guys, so kung dami namin nabili, nabudol ata kami ba? I think nakasampu na kami ng Chatramu.
If you need more the water, you can come here to pick up here. The water is free, okay?
2,000 per night. Oo. Hi guys! Guys, it's dinner time. Here, nandito kami ngayon. It's near Icon Siam. It's called... ano to? Cream Restaurant. No, it's Cream Restaurant. And mura siya guys, but looks yummy and quality. So, taste natin mamaya. Hi guys, we're back in Icon Siam. Ako'y maghahanap na rin ng tsinelas. Ito lang dala ko with my bat.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, right now at Central World and meron kami ngayong Chatramu. This is our favorite brand, the milk dito. Siguro since we went here, pang-lima na namin to. Sobrang sarap, ang mura guys. This is just 45 baht. Ito na yung size niya. So i-convert no, below 100 pesos yun sa atin. Nag-CR kami ngayon. Ang ganda ng CR. Alam mo yun, parang ang linis. Ang aesthetic din at the same time. Parang gusto mong mag-jebs ng 2 hours. Anyway, this is the start of our shopping day. No, on our 5th day na namin ngayon. Guys, so ang dami naming nabili. Nabudol ata kami, but it's really quality clothes here sa Kevin Fashion. So yun guys, puno no, mga 4 din tong nabili ko. Shocks, 150 baht per each. We're done with the Platinum Mall. Sobrang solid dito. It's very Divisoria in a high level. Hi guys, so change outfit tayo agad sa isa sa mga nabili natin. Sobrang ganda ng quality niya, ganda ng kulay din. Madumi nga lang yung salamin. Fit check. sawadika. Well, anyway, we're here now at Anonymous Cafe or Anonymous Coffee. Yun yung nakalagay sa N-Drive. We took the taxi kasi ang hirap makabook kanina. Sobrang busy ng Big C, no? So I think nahirapan mag-pin at yung mga drivers. But anyway, we're gonna have a coffee break. I really need coffee right now. And pumunta kami here kasi it's aesthetic. Nakita lang din namin sa TikTok. Is a very worth it na cafe. Sobrang ganda ng kaniyang design. The coffee is good. No, medyo very Thai lang. Medyo pagdating sa coffee ay hindi ganun ka-sweet. But I think it's good. No, to regulate your sugar. Pero worth it. Hi guys. Good evening. Grabe. In a few days kami ay uuwi na. And syempre, hindi ka nag-Thailand or Bangkok kung hindi ka namili ng mga damit, bags, at kung ano-ano pa. Anyway, hiningal ako. Sobrang pagod today. It's March 10 and literally, after lunch, ay nag-shopping na. No, nag-start namin mag-shopping. Nakauwi kami mga 8:30 PM na. Literally, may mga onting pahinga, kain. But sulit na sulit ang aming shopping day. Good morning. So we're gonna swim now. This is technically our last full day dito. At meron pa naman bukas, pero swim muna kami. Then we'll go to a cafe after. We're done swimming, grabe. Sobrang ganda ng pool. At walang tao ngayon, no? Now we're gonna prepare to check out. Thank you so much sa An Hotel. Anyway guys, we're gonna walk. OOTD check. We're gonna walk to the BTS station kasi dun ang aming next stop. Punta muna kami sa Arabica Coffee. Then check-in kami ulit to our last hotel here in Bangkok. Let's go! Hi guys, so quick stop kami sa Lawson. Sobrang gutom na, wala pa kaming kain for today. Mga sticks lang siya. Grabe, ganda here. How can I go to view very good, view very good. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Arabica, no, and this is just not your ordinary Arabica coffee because it has a view. So literally, we're here overlooking Bangkok. really happy to be here bago kami umuwi tomorrow. Really gonna miss Thailand. This is on the 55th na floor ng building na ito. Hi guys, we're done with Arabica now. We're gonna go to our hotel. Magti-train na lang kami ulit punta sa aming hotel. Ganda dito, sobrang aesthetic. It's really clean and white. Ito pa CR naman, quick CR lang.
A few moments later.
We're here now sa last hotel natin here in Bangkok. It's called College House. Hi guys, so here we are, College House. So guys, in our 7 days here, I think nakasampu na kami ng Chatramu. It's really the best. Ito yung isa sa pinakamamimiss ko dito sa Thailand. So for reference, ito siya. Kung nagbabala kayo, no, it's really below 100 pesos kasi mga 45 to 50 baht lang yan. Hi guys, we're gonna do a morning swim. This is our last day in Bangkok. Grabe, ang bilis ng araw. Sobrang mamimiss ko in Thailand. For now, swim muna kami before check-out. Kasi after check-out kami ay pupunta sa outlets. Then diretso na ng airport. Ganun lang kabilis. Kaya it feels like a month. Guys, so we're gonna check out already. It's currently 12 PM. At last accommodation namin to dito kasi kami ay nasa airport na mamayang gabi. But before that, we're gonna go shopping sa mga outlets na napanood namin. Let's go! We're about to leave. Ang last one stop will be Central Village. So we're gonna shop shoes kasi super laki daw ng discounts doon. And maraming choices, especially with quality brands such as Nike, Adidas, New Balance, Skechers, etc. And yun yung last stop na namin before we go directly to the airport. Kasi ang flight namin is 4 AM bukas pa naman, but we need to be there by 12 AM. So laban, nap-nap na lang sa airport. Mas maganda naman ang airport na sa atin, no? But reality check. We're finally here sa ating last stop. It's Central Village. It's giving alabang and very discounted na shoes. You know, yun ang goal kasi 2 years ata yung huli kong pili na shoes. Pakita ko sa inyo itsura niya maya. For now, CR muna. Medyo mahaba yung naging biyahe. Hi guys, we're still here. We're searching. Wala pa kami nabili, pero grabe. Nag-ikot-ikot na ako. Sobrang mura. As in, para meron dito mga 900 to 1-2 baht. So magkano lang yun? Below 2k lang yun sa money natin. So I think I'll go more with Fila. So guys, ano, kunin ko na ba? Please comment down. Pag-comment nyo, nakuha ko na. Guys, we are here sa food court ng Central Village. And sabi ko nga kanina, no, Central Village is actually a shopping center. But it focuses more on shoes. May mga clothes naman dito in shorts as well. Pero para mas maraming choices kung ikaw ay sneakerhead. Tama ba? Sneakerhead. So yun, we're gonna have our last dinner here in Bangkok, Thailand. And luckily, nakabili naman ako ng aking bagong shoes. Last bili ko pa po sa Pilipinas ay 1.5 years. So I think I deserve this. Wow! Andito ka na, gumastos ka na. And I bought another, medyo white shoes naman siya, but meron kasi siyang cream. And medyo bulky. Kasi yung gout ko po ay umaatake for the previous nights. And I've been using one shoes for the whole Thailand trip. Then meron akong black sandals. However, yung sandals na yun ay medyo mabigat. So, feel ko nag-trigger din yung gout ko doon. Later, 12 midnight, nasa airport na kami. Our flight is 4 a.m. Ngayon, ang cute ng food court. And ang maganda sa sistema nila is hindi ka magbabayad ng cash per store, pero kukuha ka ng card. So, free naman yung card, tapos papaloadan mo na lang kung magkano yung magiging food budget nyo. So, parang very systematic and very hygienic din, no, na walang pera sa mga food. Some update lang. Sorry din kasi for some clips ay medyo MIA tayo. Meaning lang nun, ako ay nagkaroon ng gout attack. Or wala lang din ako masabi, sobrang pagod na, nalubat na yung phone, and all other things. Siyempre, I wanted to enjoy the travel as well. Ayun lang. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just like that.